guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Travel with Flex. So guys, today I'll be talking on a very important topic, like very important, and I need you to listen carefully. I used to talk about a lot of stuffs about going to Europe, studying in Europe. I don't mean if you talk about UK, Canada, they usually look at like no, because me, I'm not really interested in the area due to some certain stuffs that is happening and due to the situation right now in the country. And I would love to recommend best. When I mean best, you know, due to the fact I speak about Europe doesn't mean every country in Europe are advisable to go. So because you hear Europe, then yeah, this country is under Europe, that one is under Europe. That doesn't make the country unique or make it like or validate that that country is the best or it is you have a lot of opportunity there. No, there are countries you can go to in Europe that, bro, see, the sapa wey go owe you for there go pass down wey dey owe you for your own country. So I'll be talking on countries, best countries you can go to. When I mean best country you can go to in Europe, that they have good facility for students. You can work even though you go with your family. The fact that some countries are expensive also in Europe doesn't make it like, oh, you can't go there. No. But the schools I will be discussing today, the schools that will be listings are countries that will be listings. Because I will list the country, then another country, I will list cheap university you can go to there. Because when I'm listing this country, I'll list them according to their GDP also. And I make a lot of research before bringing this to you. So it's very important. You look at this country, pick them one by one, check the schools. Instead of going to a country that you go to, you won't get a job, and if paid, you spend a lot. Because I have a lot of people in my DM that they've gone to some certain country in Europe and they are planning to move. They are planning to leave because it's not benefiting them. But so a lot of people, YouTubers won't tell you fact. They won't tell you the right thing. They will just tell you this country and you just leave and you just go there. No, it's not about that. So I'll be going straight to the point right now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give a thumbs up. When you give a thumbs up, the algorithm automatically recommends the video for other people to watch, and please subscribe. Yeah. So let's go straight to the point. Now, so let me list the country. The first country on my list that I want to go to in Europe is Germany. Period. Germany with a GDP of 4.26 trillion USD dollars. Yeah. Heavy, right? Yeah, Germany is actually leading. So if there's nothing you want to tell me about it, but Germany is one of the best you want to go to right now. And I'll list five schools. Some of them are not got their pronunciation very well. So look at the screen and you can write them down. So I'm going to list six. So once I list them, write them down. Then you choose the one you want to. So don't just go Japa, no be all about Japa, or I beg. So let's go straight to it. Germany, as I said, the first one with 4.26 trillion. So the first one is Heidelberg University, Heidelberg University, whatever. That is it on the screen. Not my mama language. Heidelberg University. Second one is Humboldt University of Berlin, Technical University of Munch, Munch, whatever. Um, Ludwig Maximilian University, whatever. This one is yeah, for that is for university already. So I'm listing them. Just take them on the screen. So my pronunciation might be wrong. Yeah. So I don't go follow my pronunciation. Go they type on that thing for YouTube. I need to they give you another thing. YouTube can be funny sometimes. So make it to be your friend right now. So let's go to the second one. Is Netherlands. Netherlands with 1.3 trillion. Huge, right? Netherlands with 1.3 trillion GDP. So and you can work there and as at the same time you can study there, and they have good, like, these are standard, these are country standard. It's not about just going to Europe, sure you understand. So uh Utrecht University, you did here, I beg, man, not to bite my tongue. Maastricht University, University of Groningen, University of 20. See me as they looking for the screen. I don't stress myself. Yeah, third one, Austria. And this is my best friend. Most, if you go to my this thing here, my channel, most the country I've spoken most about like a lot is Austria. You can check. And I've given, if you want to go to Austria, I've given like list, like step by step process on how to study in Australia. There's nothing you're looking for. And even though another person lie for you, I've given full details, like let me say 80%. Even though, because I'm human, I make mistake and I'll omit some certain things, but to the best of my knowledge, things that are needed for you to follow, I've done that on Austria. So it's very easy for you to even go about Austria in short step. So the first school in Austria is University of Linz, University of, okay, I forgot to say the GDP of Austria, 480 billion. That's the GDP. And Austria is just population of 8 point something or 9 million people. You never reach lag. The landmass is big, or no reason but the population, no reach. So University of Linz, University of Innsbruck, University of Klagenfurt, University of Salzburg. Yeah, so that's for Austria. Now the fourth one is Spain. I know say some country the reason say I suppose don't comot, and see, it's not about what some people tell you. Some people they tell you based on the information they hear from another person. So the information keep throwing out like coming like that, coming like that. That's information they get from another person. So you to get it and be like you're already, it's programmed already, so it's not making any sense. So don't follow what some people say and say because they say I've carried a lot of people to some certain country and stranded. You understand? So the fourth one, as I said, is Spain with a GDP of 1.4 trillion USD. And the first school is Pompey Fabra University, University of Granada, Autonomous University of Barcelona, University of Salensa. It sounds like Salensa of Moto. Anything, you guys just check the screen, follow what is on the screen, and just copy it. You can write it down, jot it down. Then you go straight to Google and do the needful. So the fifth one is Italy. Italy. Some people say Italy, some people say Italy. Nigeria guys are saying Italo. Anyone but Italy. Italy. So pick anyone way your tongue pick. They are good to go. 2.1 trillion. That's for their own. 2.1 trillion. Let me list the now this university I'm listing, these are the cheapest school. These are the cheapest school I'm listing under this country. So Italy 2.1 trillion, as I said. The first one is Imiam Imiamata Studerium. You like saying that Studerium now they kind of, I guess that kind of way of pronouncing student. I don't know, but Studerium. Because it sounds like almost way of speaking Swedish. Studera. Yeah, Studera. I was learning Sweden before when I was about to go to Sweden. So I can actually speak Sweden, Vietnam, somewhere. Like I like to some certain essential, but unfortunately now Austria can't get me last. So let's continue. Um University of Padua. Oh no, so Padua. Yeah, Padua. Sapienza University of Rome. Sapienza University of Rome and University of Milan. So that's the four university under Italy. Then let's go to the sixth one, which I know your people are waiting for. I know your people be like, this guy never got this one. I'm not calling it because of calling of other people. I call it based on research and fact. The sixth one is Sweden. Yeah. So Sweden with a GDP of $635 billion. So the first university is Lund University. The second one is Uppsala. The third one is Stockholm. The fourth one is KTH Royal Institute of Technology. Then the other countries you can go to, because I don't want the video to be so long, you can make other research. Is the seventh one is Spain, and the uh, eighth one is France. So these are the country I recommend for you guys to check out. All the university I've listed are country I've listed and university. These are the cheap university under those school. They are cheap. Some of these schools don't request IELTS. Some of them don't request this thing, legalized document or whatever. Just note this. Some of them don't, so don't really like Sweden. They don't even request, so you don't have to stress yourself. So, guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and share the video. Check my channel for other videos in respect to studying Europe.